And the next thing what we'll do over here is we'll go and add the list over here. So let's go to the tab 1 over here, and instead of just returning a center widget from here, what we'll do is we'll just remove this particular center widget from here, and we'll return a list view builder from here. So ListView.builder, and we need to provide the first of all the item count over here, and let's just generate the 100 of the items over here, and we need to pass in the context over here, right? Build context, and we also need to pass in the the index over here. And let's go and return we get from here, and I need to close this one over here, and let's try to arrange this one over here. And from here let's just go and let us just go and return a simple list tile from here, and in the list tile we'll just go and add our title over here. So let's just go and add the title over here, and title will be of the text, and then I'll just provide the item with the particular index value over here. You can also just go and do some formatting over here, but I'll just leave it as a simple. I'll just copy this one from here as well, and I'll go to the tab screen, not the tab 2 over here, and let us return the same thing from here, and let's try to reload the application over here. And now we will see that we have the items, 100 items over here, and in the tab 2 we should have the 100 items over here. So what we'll do is, instead of just returning the item over here, we'll just say tab tab 2 over here, right? So this is of the tab 2 item, and here we'll also go and say the tab 1 item, so tab tab 1 item, so it may be much more easier to differentiate. So tab 1 and then the tab 2 over here. Let us try to restart our application, and let's go back over here. So we see the tab 1, and then we have the tab 2. So the next step what we want to do is, once we scroll the this particular list view, and once we navigate to tab 1 and tab 2, we want to preserve that particular state over here. So let's see how we can preserve this particular state of our list view once we navigate from tab 1 to the tab 2, and from tab 2 to the tab 1. So let's go back to the tab screen over here, and what we'll do over here is we have this particular TabBar view, and we have the controller, and then this particular child as the tab. So let's go to the tab 1 over here, and in this particular list view.builder, we have the key over here, and we can use over here the page store key over here. So once we use the page store key, that will be of the I need to provide the value over here. All right, so what I will do is create a value key. So I just need to provide a string over here, and I'll just call this one as the tab 1, which is of the unique name. Let's say this is of the tab 1, and we'll go to our tab 2 over here, and we'll also pass in the unique ID for this one, and that will be of the page store key over here. And once I go and pass in the tab 2 over here, so let's just remove this value from here, and let's just make this one as the const from here. And now I can just go and reload this or restart the application, and let's go back over here. So we have tab 1 and then the tab 2. So let's just scroll this one to somewhere of the 26, and if I go and scroll somewhere to around 50 over here, and if I come back, I should get that particular 26. And if I go over here, I should get somewhere around the 50 over here. So now we can see that we have preserved the scrolling state of our tab view, and also the list item over here. So this can preserve that particular state using the key. So this is the key that we need to pass in, and we are passing the page store key over here, a different type of the key over here, but we will be using we need to use a page store key over here just to preserve the scrolling position of our list view over here. So that's all for this lesson, and hope you enjoyed it. We will meet in the next one. Till then, have a great day.